Magnetic Magic: Exploring the Power of Magnets. Have you ever played with a magnet? They're pretty cool because they have a special power called magnetism. Magnetism is a force that pulls certain materials towards it. Magnets have two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. When you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another magnet, they attract each other. But if you try to bring two north poles or two south poles together, they push away. This is called repulsion. Magnets can attract certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. That's why they stick to things like fridge doors and metal toys. But magnets aren't just for sticking things together. They also have other cool powers. For example, magnets can make compasses point north. That's because the needle inside a compass is magnetized and aligns itself with Earth's magnetic field. Magnets are used in lots of things we use every day, like electric motors, speakers, and even credit cards. They help make our technology work. Scientists are always learning more about magnets and how they work. They even study things called magnetic fields, which are invisible areas around magnets where their power is strongest. So, the next time you play with a magnet, remember that you're exploring the magical world of magnetism. A force that's full of surprises and powers.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun videos.